Hi Arav, wish you a very very happy birthday. I miss you and I love you a lot. Enjoy your day, and when we meet again, we'll throw a grand party with all your friends and family. Okay? Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Arav.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Arav. May God bless you. May God bless ya. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
I have a surprise for you, Harry Potter. Congratulations on turning 8.
Hi Arav. Happy birthday. Best wishes. I miss you so much. Hi Arav. कैसा है तू? Many many happy returns of the day. मैं मेरी बस मस्ती मिस कर रहा हूँ यार. जब सब ठीक हो जाएगा ना, हम लोग पार्टी करेंगे. Bye. Meet you soon. Happy birthday Arav. Have a very very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead. Hope this lockdown gets over soon so that we can party. Hi Arav. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great time. Bye.
Hi Arav. I have a surprise for you. Happy birthday. Stay home. Stay safe.
Happy birthday Arav. Stay. Happy birthday Arav. I love you Arav. Thank you. Be my friend. And I love you drawing your colors, sharing. Thank you. Hi Arav, happy birthday to you. I'm very happy to have you as a friend and enjoy your day. Be safe. Thank you. Happy birthday Arav. How are you? Enjoy your quarantine vacation. Bye.
Happy birthday, Arav. I miss you a lot. We'll come after the lockdown for your party, but not on 24th. But still, I still miss you a lot. And we'll resume our cricket classes. 3, 2.
Hi Arav. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, huh?
Hi Arav. How are you? Many many happy returns of the day. May your all wishes come true and may God bless you. We know there is lockdown, so we can't go outside, but we can spend time at home. So enjoy your summer vacation, take care of yourself and stay home, stay safe, Harry Potter.
Happy birthday, Arav. Hi, Arav. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Happy birthday, Arav. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday to you.
May God
bless
bless you. May God bless ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arav. have a lovely day. And I love playing with you. And I hope you like playing with me too. Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Happy birthday, Arav. Enjoy your birthday at home.
Happy birthday, Arav. Happy birthday, Arav. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Arav.
Hi Arav, happy birthday. We hope to meet soon, and when we meet, we will celebrate your birthday in a grand way. Thanks, bye.
Hi, happy birthday, Arav. Have a blast, enjoy your day, and stay safe. Regards, Sulbi.
Hi Arav, wish you a very happy birthday. I've made something special for you. Hope you like it. We'll meet soon and play together. Bye.
Happy birthday, Arav. Hope you have a wonderful day, and after the lockdown, we would have a very big party. See you soon. Hi, Arav. Happy birthday, Arav. Stay at home and be safe. Hi, Arav. Do you remember where I brought this from? Disneyland. It was so much fun. Do you remember? Happy birthday, Arav. Happy birthday, Arav. Have a good year. Stay safe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. All your dreams come true. We will meet soon and have a blast. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Arav. I hope you get lots of presents and a big birthday cake. Stay home, stay safe, have fun, and enjoy your birthday. Thank you.
Hi Arav. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Arav. I hope you have a nice day. I'm missing your birthday party. Bye bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Arav. I know it's the coronavirus time and you cannot celebrate your birthday with us. But still, I want to send you happy wishes in form of this video. And we will definitely try to celebrate your birthday after the lockdown. Till then, have a great day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Arav. Happy birthday to you. You're born in the zoo with lions and tigers and monkeys like
Hello,
you.
how are you? I hope you are fine. I just wanted to tell you many, many happy returns of the day. But unfortunately, we can't meet each other because of coronavirus. But I still hope you have a great birthday and I will meet you very, very soon. Bye.
Happy birthday to Arab bhaiya.
Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. We all miss you. Eat yours. Big bhaiya.
Hey Arav, Sakar Bhaiya here, and I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you find a way to enjoy your day and have a video chat with your friends and have some kind of party at home. And hope to see you soon.
Hi Arav, wishing you a very very happy birthday. May God bless you. Have lots of fun. Eat lots and lots of chocolates, cakes. Have a joyful birthday and have fun. Happy birthday once again. Bye. Bye bye.
Hi Arav, I wish you a very happy birthday and many other wishes of the day. You are a very good cousin brother and a very fun and a very funny cousin brother. And I wanted to tell you that since you can't celebrate with a party or any gathering or something because of the lockdown, I recommend you making a video call with all of us and celebrating your birthday. Thank you.
Namaste Masi ji, Namaste Masa ji. Happy birthday Arav. I'm your Parididi. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. All the best for your future. May God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.
Arav, I hope you have a very happy birthday and I hope we meet again soon and I hope that you get big. Happy birthday, Arav!
Hi Arav, many happy returns of the day. This is a time to celebrate the joy of today, the memories of yesterday and the hope of tomorrow. Very happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi Arav, wishing you a very happy 8th birthday. I hope you have lots of fun and best wishes from San Francisco. And we hope to see you soon in the US. Bye.
Arav, happy birthday. Congratulations on turning 8. Hope you enjoy this one. Bye.
Dear Arav, happy birthday. When I meet you again, I will give you your gifts and many happy returns of the day.
बोलो.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
बोलो.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
ये बोल.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आरव. खूब खेलना बेटा, पढ़ना लिखना, मस्ती भी करना.
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा आरू.
Hi Arav. Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
अरब बेटा, विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. आज तो तुम 5 साल के हो गए. ओ सॉरी, 5 नहीं, 8 साल के हो गए. सो विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. भगवान करे तुम हर साल अपना बर्थडे अच्छे से मनाते रहो, खूब सालों तक, खूब तरक्की करो, अच्छे काम करो. मेक योर मॉम एंड डैड प्राउड. दादा दादी, नानी नानू, एवरीबडी शुड फील प्राउड ऑफ यू. विश यू गुड लक in your whole life. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
Dear Arav, now guess and tell who all we are. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. खूब बड़े हो जाओ. नाउ यू आर बिकमिंग बिग बॉय.
खूब नए क्लास में आप आ गए हैं। सरस्वती माँ की कृपा हमेशा आप पे बनी रहे। मम्मी पापा का नाम रोशन करो। खूब 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 आशीर्वाद आपको बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
डियर आरव बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे, खूब खुश रहो, बड़े हो जाओ।
हाय आरव, हैप्पी बर्थडे। बहुत बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स, आशीर्वाद। खूब खुश रहो, पार्टी एंजॉय करो।
हाय डियर आरव, हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। नाना नानी बेंगलोर से, अभी तो चेन्नई में है। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर आरव। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। May God bless you, we pray. May God bless you, we pray. May God bless you, dear Arab. Happy birthday to you. लेकिन आगे Happy birthday Arab.
Wish you a very happy birthday Arav. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday Arab. Have a great day.
Hi Arav, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Arav. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Arav, happy birthday.
Happy birthday champ, this is for you.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday Arav.
Hi Arav, wishing you a very happy birthday. We'll celebrate your birthday once the lockdown is over. Enjoy your day and once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Arav.
Happy birthday Aru Kumar.
Happy birthday, Arav.
Oh.
You are very happy birthday, and sorry we are not able to be there to celebrate with you your birthday, but next year we will all be there to celebrate your birthday, and we also will get you your gifts. Happy birthday once again and have a blast.
Hi Arav, I'm Prachi Mosi and wish you a very very happy birthday. On your special day, I wanted to play a special song for you, so here it goes. Have a lovely time, lots of love, bye.
Dear Aru, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Have a great day ahead tomorrow and eat lot of chocolate, lot of candies and bake a big cake with your mama and do share the picture with us. We're all going to be there tomorrow to wish you happy birthday. Once again, love you a lot. Take care. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Happy birthday to you. Glad to greet you. Glad to greet you. Glad, very, very glad to. Oink, oink, oink. Happy birthday, Arav.
Have a nice time. God bless you.
Hello Arav, how are you? Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You know, your birthday and Sachin Tendulkar's birthday.
They are on the same day. So enjoy with Nani and Mummy, Nana, Nani and Mummy. Okay, bye.
जिसको दुआओं में मांगा तू है वही रहनुमा तेरे बिना मुश्किल है एक भी कदम चलना दिल तेरे कहाँ है मंजिल प्यार की
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू, बबलू खान को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, हम भी अगर बच्चे होते, नाम हमारा होता गबलू, बबलू खान को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। कोई लाता गुड़िया मोटर रेल तो कोई लाता फिरकी लट्टू, कोई चाबी का टट्टू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. May God bless you, child.